to today's video. So for today's video, we're going to be doing kind of another makeup school assignment. So for today's assignment, I have to create a stage character. Now I was thinking what are my favorite musicals, or maybe like that. So I was thinking I love ballet, and so I thought I could do the Sugar Plum Fairy inspired makeup look, or actually reverse that, Sugar Plum Fairy character makeup look. So this is the look. So if you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to never miss one of my uploads. Let's get into the video. I'm going to prime my face using my Whish Botanical face primer. I'm going to do my eyebrows. Then I'm going to go in and set my eyebrows using my Maybelline Clear Brow Gel, using the Tinted Moisturizer. And then what I did is, to darken it up just a little bit, I took a shade from the RCMA Foundation palette, and I just kind of went over the Tinted Moisturizer just to kind of match my skin tone. So, and then I like to, I'm using my RCMA palette, foundation palette, to conceal. So I use the lightest shade in the palette just to conceal my under eyes and any blemishes that I have. And set my foundation and my concealer with my Midnight translucent powder and fire. So my Minerals Gen Nude Eye eyeshadow for shadows today. First, I'm going to apply the color Fields, and I'm going to apply that in the crease. I like to start, especially with this makeup look, I'm going to start in the crease. And then I'm going to take Bing, and I'm going to darken up the crease just a little bit more. And then what I'm going to do, to darken up the crease even more, I'm going to take Devilish and Drunk Dial. I'm going to kind of go right under the Bing to darken up the crease just a little bit more. For the lid, I'm going to take my NARS single eyeshadow in Baby Girl. I'm just going to pat that onto my eyelid, and then over Baby Girl, I'm going to take Turn On and just also pat that onto the eyelid, go right into blush. Now I want to use something that's kind of pinky orange type blush, so I'm going to take the QC Makeup Academy palette. I'm going to take kind of a light peach shade, and I'm going to start by putting it on the apple and then kind of work my way up. And then to kind of brighten up my eyes, I'm going to go back to the eyes. So I'm going to use my NYX Sun on Glide On eye pencil in the color Pure White. Curl my lashes. I'm going to put some mascara on my Laroc Lipgloss in the color VIP. And I just use my finger just to kind of pat it and lighten it up a little bit. First, I'm going to put on the magnetic eyeliner, and then I'm going to put on the full strip lashes that are actually on right now. I'm going to join today's video and see you in the next one.